Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, lane departure warning, LED headlights, power liftgate. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.